Hey there, thank you so much for viewing the video. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Liquid Foundation Makeup. Now I have had this one for a very long time. This happens to be the 355 Coconut. I've had it for well over a year. Well over a year, and pretty much because this is one that I use in addition to another shade to get it to more of a match of mine. So of course I'm out of the one that's just a couple shades darker. It's a caramel, so I use a dab of that and mix it into my caramel to more match my face. But I still have quite a bit of this left over, and I wanted to show you this product because I really like it. I like liquid foundations a lot better than I do powder foundations. This product is for normal to oily skin, which fits me perfectly. It comes in this 1 ounce bottle here, and it still lasts for a very long time. So it's the Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation, normal to oily. And you can even see from the back that I've definitely had this for a very long time. Maybelline is a really great company, and this particular line of their foundation, it actually is available in 40 different shades. I mean, all the way from ivory to like a really deep cocoa. I'm not exactly sure what their darkest shade is, but they fit from ivory to pretty much everything in between. This foundation will mattify and refine your pores. It has a very nice, natural finish, and it doesn't you know how some foundations can get really cakey and bulky, and you can start seeing cracks and stuff in your face from where the foundation is. I've found that I really don't have that occurring with this product. It goes on really smooth and lightweight and doesn't leave your face oily or anything like that. It does actually last all day too, which I really dug that. It isn't anything that will wipe away easy or doesn't last very long. So it does actually last all day. So I do like that. And it is Dermatologist and allergy tested. It was nice to find that out. And this foundation makeup has micro powders in it that were created to actually control the shine on your face and blur your pores for that seamless, flawless finish that you can get. So I really like this. I have to use it pretty much every day. There are some days where I actually don't have to wear makeup. Now, since this foundation is only 1 ounce, it travels well, so it'll be able to go into your carry-on luggage nice and easy if you have to get on a flight, and then of course fits into your makeup bags, your purse, whichever. So travels really well. And Maybelline is in New York, here in the US, and the product is also made in the United States. Maybelline is actually a brand of L'Oreal USA, and I am very happy to say that they no longer test their ingredients on animals at all. And this product is also wheat-free and gluten-free, so if you happen to be sensitive or have celiac, still use this foundation, which is really good news. Maybelline is available in 129 countries, and they have more than 200 products. And really, really cute. When I happened to come across this information, I thought it was so cute. But in 1915, that's when Maybelline was founded by Thomas Williams. And he got the name from his sister. She happened to have a crush on someone. She had a crush on a guy that happened to like another, and she was trying to enhance her beauty, and she would use petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline. She would like use that on her eyebrows and her lashes, you know, trying to put some oomph into her beauty. And he mixed it with carbon dust to make it darker, and then that enhanced her lashes even more, enhanced her brows even more. She ended up actually winning the affection of her crush, which just absolutely hilarious. But his sister's name was Mabel, and she used Vaseline. So Mabel, Vaseline together, Maybelline. Isn't that so cute? But I thought that was a really fun fact about Maybelline, and like I said, it's a brand of L'Oreal USA. Now, before the video ends, I do want to show you the consistency of this dog in there. Okay, let's get some out. There we go. Okay, got a dab on the Q-tip here, and of course you're going to be able to see it really well on my skin since this was more of my mix in. So it does go on very light. Of course you don't have to use too much. A dab is going to do ya when you are applying it to your own skin. And of course you are going to match your foundation according to your skin tone, and sometimes you might have to do like how I do and actually mix a couple of them to actually get to your perfect shade. So I am going to go play in my makeup, and thanks so much for watching.